In this video, I will show you how to insert picture in Microsoft Word document. So there are method. Click here and click on this insert. Then picture. Select this device. Now find out your picture in your PC or laptop where you have. So you have to select that folder. Select it. It's very small. I will try another picture. Yes, like this. So this is the easy and simple way to open picture in Microsoft Word. Click on insert and also drag and drop you can apply. So open that folder where you have the pictures. So I have pictures here. Open it now. Open Microsoft Word. Now drag and drop that picture. So this is the fastest way to insert the picture. Now once you double click on it in the picture format, you can make changes. You can crop, color, adjust, you can remove background. So these all options you can apply here. To crop it, click this crop and select the area which you need. So thanks for watching guys. Comment on this video useful for you.